What's up, guys? Josh here with Drift Colorado. We're out here on round 2 at Pikes Peak International Raceway.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Drift Colorado Round 2's final announcement for our podium winners for both Group A and Group B. We've got Steve down there with the winners, getting ready to tell us like it is.
Yeah, I mean, I think we know who the winners are. We had some kind of clear-cut finishes, so some of these aren't going to be too much of a surprise, but we're getting ready to announce that right now, and I'm probably going to hand it over to Levi right now and make sure he gets this done.
For those of you that don't know, Levi is the one who is responsible for everything you see here as far as Drift Colorado goes. He's the organizer, the drift doctor. I mean, he's a man of many talents, and he definitely makes it happen. Between him and Steve, this wouldn't be possible, so definitely be sure to thank them.
So I'm going to bring it back down here. You ready? Let's do this.
All right, well, first off, I want to say thanks for everybody for coming out. It was hot. It was fun. Did you guys have a good time? Did you enjoy the show? Some carnage, some good driving, some insane cars, lots of smoke. I had the pleasure of driving in this thing's smoke line earlier today, and that is impossible. You can't see anything. So let's give all the drivers a special round of applause for us, please. All right, so we'll start with our newest class, the Group B guys. So for those of you that were here, it's a really nice, tight, technical course. Not quite as fast, not quite as dangerous. And finishing in third place in a boosted E36 is our man, Austin Bardo. The 1-2 battle was pretty tight. We had our man Mike Schaefer and Scott Umbright battling it out. Finishing in second place tonight was Scott Umbright in the Mustang. First place in a car I understand that you had very little driving time in. First time driving it. First place tonight, Mike Schaefer. A big special round of applause for Steve, too, for putting on the media, shooting the video, doing all the live stream. And also, anybody that wants to get involved, too. Like, if you want to volunteer, come out and work, we're always looking for people to come out and help out. So that would be huge. Especially people that will get up in the morning and show up and help us would be massively huge, so that people like me and Steve aren't working 40 hours in 2 days to try and get this done. All right, so let's move on to Group A. These are full tandem cars, full race cars. It was a pretty good battle. Finishing in fourth place, our man is Justin Chestnut standing here in a car that had lost the clutch line. So we were doing rolling starts in third gear and still managed to finish fourth place. Third place, the S14 there, S13, Logan Dimmick. And everybody saw this battle, right? Insanity there. Finishing in second place with some broken parts, Joshua Love. And then all the way from South Dakota, first place, Steve Max.